natin sa land bank and anong oras na kaya nakapag-gym. So gym na tayo. Oras na ba? Kasi may 9:30 na pala. Kaya lang, kaya pa yan. Hello y'all. So tapos na tayo. Hindi pala tayo tapos. Today is arms and abs day. And so far nagawa na natin yung arms, close grip, bench press for triceps, tricep extension for triceps, bicep curls, and hammer curls para sa biceps. And ngayon sa abs na tayo. Mag-hanging leg raises tayo and Russian twists. So after nun, pahinga na. So ayun lang. Hope you have a great day today. Miss you. Sakit talaga ng sakit talaga ng Russian twist. Agbatid man na gito muscles ko dito yung channel. Awan ba't garot ti abs puro matchan. Abs ko ka, a big stomach mo. Singular lang, ab lang. Isang malaking sopa. 2 sets pa. 2 reps pa. Hindi, 2 sets nga. 2 sets pa. Tapos, nakakauwi na. And so we're done. Tapos na natin yung routine today. 6 workout exercises. 2 for triceps, 2 for biceps, and 2 for abs. And as for Russian twist, nagawa natin yung 3 sets as compared to last week na 2 sets lang kasi nag-cramps na tayo. So that's an improvement. And though wala mo na dinagdag sa mga weights kasi I aimed na taasan yung repetitions para mas matamaan yung muscle groups. That's it for today. It's day 33 of our 90-day challenge and see ya.